Welcome to L'Atelier Du Vin. My name is Stefano. I am the chef sommelier and the manager here. We are a little wine bar and a prohibition cocktail bar. Here inside, even if it's a really little place, we store around 600 bottles of wines and 300 spirits. And we do have also a little roof terrace where you can enjoy a bit of wine or a cocktail under the sun. So we're going to talk about decanting wine and especially why and how we decant a bottle of wine. The two biggest reasons of why to decant a bottle of wine are once to allow the wine to get in contact with air, to allow the wine basically to express himself and to deliberate all the aromas, especially in case of few wines, it's going to be also to clean the bottle from, for example, sediments. You can decant a bottle of wine, mainly, for example, we decant red wines, but we can decant also white, rosé and sparkling wine. So the main reason why we decant a bottle of red wine to soften the tannins, because the hair works even on the tannin to soften up and get like much smoother sensation on the palate. So you're gonna remove all the kind of stringent notes in your mouth and in your palate. We can start by pouring the wine into the decanter. The only rule when you're pouring the wine is going to be like keep the bottle steady and slowly pour the wine into the decanter. The decanter is going to need to stay like in a kind of angle. It's especially to not drip any wine into the table or around, just to make sure that you're working clean every time. After this, you're gonna maybe need to use a candle for the specific reason that the candle with the light is gonna allow you to look inside the bottle, and from there you can see when the sediments are going to start to come through to the neck, and that moment is the moment you're gonna need to stop. So now you know how to decant a bottle of wine, and I'm looking forward to see you soon at L'Atelier Du Vin.